Hello.
Hello.
Today, Kristen and I are heading north. We got about a 6-hour drive ahead of us. We're on our way to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, going to Munising. We're going to be camping up in that area a little over a week, I guess. So, let's turn this camera around so you can see our setup. We got our 2019 Chevy 1500, all four-wheel drive, with our 2019 R-Pod. R-Pod 190 is the model. You got our little bicycles hooked up to the back here. This is our first time using a bike rack like this, and especially on the back of a camper. I've never hauled something on the back of a camper before. So hopefully when we get to Michigan, it's still here. All right, we're gonna get on the road. Ahead a little bit.
Okay. It's lunchtime. I'm really zoomed in on you. Here we go.
We're stopped north of Oshkosh.
We're in De Pere.
De Pere, Wisconsin.
Yes.
Eating some food.
Yes.
Our packed lunch.
Yes. Save some money, honey. All right.
Welcome to Michigan.
So we just stopped off in Escanaba, Michigan at the Walmart to get some groceries, because where we're going, they're not going to have a bigger grocery store. I figured we'd save a little bit of money on food since we're spending money on the trip. I don't hear them right now, but there's a bunch of seagulls in the background because we're near the lakes at this point. I don't know if you've ever seen the movie Escanaba in the Moonlight. That's where we're at now, Escanaba, Michigan. It's a weird movie. I couldn't recommend it, but you can check it out if you want. Came along this art exhibit in an alley here, up here in Munising, Michigan. This is pretty awesome. It looks a little bit like my mom's dog. Yeah, more on the other side of the wall, alley here. Oh, that's a cool photograph. That's really neat. Northern Lights, that's awesome. Maybe zoom right in on that and just claim that I got a shot of the Northern Lights. That's cool. First morning at camp, it is pouring down rain, so we're not going to be doing a whole lot today. Outside anyway. We'll be hanging out in here playing games. So this is what our weather is going to be looking like today up here in Munising, Michigan. Starting out with a little bit of rain, a little more rain, We'll get a little bit of a kind of sprinkling lull there, and then look at that giant thing coming. So we're going to take a little walk around our campground this morning. It's probably getting closer to noon by now. Anyway, it's been raining all morning. Now the sun came out. It's still really windy, but we're going to go check this place out and let you take a look. Van life. One of the bathroom and shower buildings over here. Up here on Lake Superior. Tent camping down that pathway. Tent campers park up here. This is the other bathroom and shower building. It's also where you drain your tanks, flush your cistern to leave. This is one of the showers. Area to hang your things. There's even a little bench in the shower. This one must be, this must be a handicap one maybe. It's got bathroom in it and everything else. So more room for someone that's maybe in a wheelchair or something.
The women's bathroom. Pretty clean. I just threw some crusts out for the seagulls. Ah, here they come. Oh, not the water bottle. Sorry, that was an accident. Come on.
Oh, he's hungry. He ate all three. Four. He's a bully.
It's like the goat.
That other one's like, hey, you get any more? Take it off.
Oh, bye. So
we've filmed ourselves camping a few times, and we have not given you a tour of the camper. So we're going to do that now. It's an R-Pod 190 is the model. And I'll turn the camera around now and show you around. So we decided not to hide all of our things entirely to make it look, perfect. This is the reality of our space. So this is our little dinette. It breaks down into another bed. We don't have storage for everything, so we have a few things that kind of lounge over here. We can move it around if we need to. This is our little kitchenette. It's on a slide out. Has a decent sink. The cooktop's underneath it here. We've got two burner, cooktop. Coffee pot. We have some of our foods and snacks up in there. Utensils and whatnot are all in these drawers over here. Plates and bowls and cups and whatnot. We have these cool little lights
So you can see.
throughout the whole camper. There's a switch that turns them all on, or you have a little switch in the middle that you can flip.
Ta-da!
That'll turn them on and off, so that's kind of a neat feature. There's our air conditioning system. There is heat in the bottom. There's different vents where the heat comes out down in here. And it gets pretty warm, so we just use this little space heater. We haven't really camped anywhere that we needed to have the main heat going all night. Microwave that also has a convection oven. Dometic fridge. It's decent size. It just takes a while to get cool, so as soon as we get to where we're camping, we immediately get it turned on so that it cools down. We have some drawers back here for storage. This was set up as like a wardrobe with that pole in the back there that you can hang your clothes on. We use it more for storing dishes and cooking stuff. Back here is our bed. It's a camper queen, cozy little spot. We put this shelf in. We watched another YouTube video on how to build that. And then we got these little totes to put our clothes in.
Show them in and out, pulling up.
And they're really easy to get down. You just grab it, and doing this one-handed isn't going to be too easy. But anyway, they just slide out. We each have one for our clothing, and then there's some miscellaneous in the others. Back here we have a TV. This one has a DVD player on the side. We've used it a couple of times, hang out and watch movies on a rainy day, which we're going to be doing here shortly because as you can see out the window, it's a blustery rainy day. Can't even see out this one really well. Bathroom tour. So this is our bathroom. We usually don't shower in it unless we absolutely have to. We'll use the showers in the campgrounds if they're available and clean. And they are here. Hello. Got some storage down here and storage up here as well. Oh, back here near our dinette, we do have another television, which we don't use. We don't have satellite or anything, and it doesn't really pick anything up. And there's some storage down here. That's where we throw our shoes. Then it has a stereo system. It has speakers inside and outside, and if you want to just listen outside, you can do that. All our controls up there. So yeah, that's our Pod 190. We came all the way up here to Munising, Michigan. Oh, the water's about to get it. With the intention of kayaking along Painted Rocks and doing a bunch of hiking up around here. But as you can probably hear with the wind and see the water, I don't know what we're going to be able to do. It's been raining since all day yesterday, off and on. Some of it's been heavy. The wind's been insane. Yeah, I don't know what we're going to do. We're here. So yesterday we just hung out with the camper, watched a movie, played cards, and just hung out together. But yeah, this is what we're dealing with. So we'll see if it calms down. I'm going to check the weather today. See if we're going to get anything better tomorrow. Tomorrow's when we're supposed to go kayaking. And they're probably going to cancel it this week. So. Hello.
Hi.
We are at the Munising Falls Visitor Center. You can see it in the background there. We're gonna go check out some waterfalls and do some hiking through the national park that they have here. Unfortunately, you can probably see the sign back there. The Munising Falls actual falls is closed, but there are other falls throughout the whole park that we're gonna go check out. Some waterfalls, so, and some beach area maybe. We're gonna go get in the truck and go to the next destination.
Come along with us.
This is the visitor center area here. One of the trails, North Country Trail. We're not gonna take that though. We're gonna go to Miners Castle Trail and Falls. We have restrooms here. The people here are very informative and friendly.
Very nice.
super helpful. They have plenty of parking here too, so it's not too difficult to get a spot and get your pass for the day. Actually, it's not for the day, it's a 7-day pass.
For 25 bucks.
25 bucks to see the whole park.
Even the parking lot is scenic.
We're gonna hike down to Miners Falls. Woods are pretty dense. Take your time. We're at Miners Falls. It's a nice little hike to get down here. Very beautiful. We are going to check out Miners Castle now up here. So based on what we're seeing here with the water, we're probably not going to be able to kayak tomorrow, but we'll see what happens. The winds are supposed to be half of what they are today. So hopefully they let us kayak tomorrow, because that's really why we came up here, is the kayak pictured rocks. That would really suck not to see it.
But this is still cool too.
Yeah, it's still beautiful up here. Great hiking.
Yeah.
Look out, the water's coming. We got pasties. Kind of a tradition up here. I've had pasties before, but not up here in the UP. So it kind of looks like a bun, but inside of this thing it has beef, rutabagas, potatoes, onions, all baked inside. It's kind of like the OG Hot Pocket. So I'm gonna take a bite and see how this thing is from here. It's kind of like a trying to think. I'm drawing a blank. It's like a beef pot pie, a little bit with less gravy. It's pretty tasty though. Miners Pasties in Munising.
Alright. I got the chicken. Same stuff, but chicken instead of the beef, so.
It's pretty flaky. Lots of meat and vegetables.
Yeah, it's filled. That's pretty good.
When I was on Ragbri, I talked about chocolate shop ice cream. So we just stopped and actually got some. So I'll flip this camera around and show it to you. This is chocolate shop ice cream. And the flavor that I got is this shit just got serious. And Krista got
Scotcheroos.
and I'm sure it's amazing. I've had the kind that I have before, but we haven't tried this one.
Oh, that's really good.
Awesome.
It tastes like Scotcheroo.
Good deal.
Okay, so we arrived at Lake Superior Lookout and took us about an hour to get here. So we're tired and we're gonna take a little rest before we go check stuff out. So see you in 20-25 minutes.
Brought some geese feathers and seagull feather. Look at that big sucker right there.
Oh, it's got Asian beetle on it.
So when we go to the beaches on the ocean, we always find seashells that are really cool, but up here we're getting geese feathers and seagull feathers. Equally cool. We had to come down this way to check out these huge rocks in the water. They had to have gotten washed here from something. Because up in here, I don't think it's really rocky. I don't know. They're massive though.
I thought it was dark red. Look at that.
Oh wow.
It's not. It's like magic rock.
Oh, there's a big one out there too, still further out. Look at that big one.
Oh my god.
A couple big ones out there. Here comes the water. That's pretty cool. Don't try to walk out there into a ball.
I'm thinking off the bottoms of my shoes.
Oh.
Remember how muddy they were?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well,
Don't worry, I'm not taking
Morning, it's August 26th. We are at Uncle Ducky's Outdoor Adventures. We're going to do some kayaking on Lake Superior. Check out the Pictured Rocks. Hopefully the water's a lot better than it was yesterday. So we have a little bit of a change of plans. Because of the weather that's been up here, they're not going to let us do Pictured Rocks today. So instead we're going to go across to the island.
Grand Island.
Grand Island. So we'll to canoe nose cliffs apparently.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was more like open ocean.
No.
Like we were going out there.
No.
Oh, okay.
So it won't be as picturesque as Pictured Rocks, but we'll be checking out some stuff on the water anyway.
Better for our amateur asses.
Yeah. We won't get the amazing views that you're hoping for along the Pictured Rocks, but you know, you do what you got to do in the situation.
It'll still be fun.
Yeah, we'll have a blast. We anticipated being cold on the water, so we put on many layers of clothing. The top layer was a rain jacket, which basically became a sauna in the sun. Bouncing across the open water, we both started to experience motion sickness. Our main focus became not getting sick or tipping into the icy water, so we were unable to enjoy the scenery as much. Paddling became pretty strenuous. We're both fairly active and fit, yet Krista became fatigued quickly. Even though it wasn't the adventure we had hoped for, we're both still glad that we did it. Our guide was very friendly and knowledgeable. She shared many interesting facts on our journey across the water. We enjoyed her company. Krista's trying to feed the birds, but they're ignoring her. She's offended. We came down and they were right here on the beach, and as soon as she started getting ready to throw the bread, they took off way down there. They're just gonna leave.
She loves birds and she's determined to get them to eat out of her hand. But I don't know that that's going to happen.
They're not hungry.
They're not hungry?
No.
You're funny.
Why?
You're like pedal 1, 2, 3 and then coast. 1, 2, 3 and coast.
I'm reserving that. I just keep pedaling.
About to explore a little trail leaving our campground. Don't know where it's going to go. We're going to find out. Oh, this is cool. Whoa. I looked back at you and I about crashed. If you stop for any reason, yell at me. It's a little sandy here. Pedal a little quicker through it. Yeah, the trail ends right there.
Oh, that was cool.
So it's just the trail for the tents.
Oh.
That's cool. You can tent right on the beach. That's pretty awesome. Just go quickly through the sand.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah. Just do it. You'll be fine. What'd you do that for?
Because it slid.
Now I'm gonna have to walk it because I can't get speed up. You got bigger tires than me.
That doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, it does.
No.
Better grippies.
It means that sand sucks more area.
Just found our way to the Munising. I keep saying that wrong. We just found our way to the Munising fishing pier to catch the sunset. So we're gonna walk out on the pier, take a look at that. It's already setting. I think we can get a better view of the fucking
Let's go. We're done.
So we had to take a detour around town. Everybody said it was a great sunset over here. That happened so fast. Like I'm glad we made it here though. Like I had to go around because the road, there's a bridge shut down here. Right here by the parking area, there's a bridge shut down. So we had to drive out and around town to get here, and just made it in time to see that sunset. At our campground, we got a way better sunset over there. So
We're gonna catch that one.
we're gonna try to go back and catch it. We just got done checking out our second sunset for the evening. Now I'm gonna set up our grill and grill steaks. Just cooked up some delicious flat iron steaks on the grill. And chow down. Delicious s'mores.
Much better chocolate this time.
Yeah, that was good. So, the reality of camping. At the end.
Oh shoot.
Woohoo!
Let her rip.
Let it rip.
We generally try not to poop in our camper. It's just a whole lot of pee.
Snort a fly again.
Yeah, oh, it's going down.